how to create prompts for Leonardo AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the Leonardo AI and log into this particular application. Then open up AI image generation. Over here, you can type your prompts. Like if you want to create images like this, then you need to type a particular sentence, whatever you want in that particular image. Then the more specific details that you can write, it would be better for the AI to understand your words and your imaginations. Like if I wanted to get a full body from head to toe, then I should have specified head to toe over here. And also I wanted a high quality face. That's why the AI has given good features of the face, because I have written it twice, and this is the reason the face is more focused on these images. And just type it in the way that you want it. Like if you want it for realistic way, then just type realistic over here. You can also write pixelate if in case you want pixeled images. And if you are doing it for comic book, just type it. And you can also type the color in which you want it. If you want it in watercolor, then just simply type watercolor over here and simply generate it. This way you would be able to generate good pictures. And in case if you are completely new and you don't know how to do it, you can also take the help of Leonardo AI, and over here you will be able to find the option of prompt generation. Just simply select this particular option, and here select the number of prompts that you want to ideate. So for now, let's select 2. And you can just type one word and this AI will help you out with the rest of the prompt. So suppose I want a prompt related to a girl, so I will just simply type girl and click on ideate. Now it will start working. Since we selected 2 prompt over here, that's why it is generating 2 ideas for us. Now you can check these prompt out and generate it. In case if you want to add some more specifications to it, just simply click on this option of arrow and you will be able to find the option of edit. This way you would be able to edit it as well. And this is how you will be able to generate prompts on Leonardo AI. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.